It's almost like I was a baby a year ago, and then bam, I'm all of a sudden, you know, like a 30-year-old. I've grown immeasurably since I came here. I was only drawing sketches with pencil and paper. Very quickly, I mean, it's like you're into painting, you're into rendering, you're into doing forms and trying to be conscious of value. And then all of a sudden you're into lighting and you're like, wow, okay, it's done.
After coming here, it's like, oh, you just know like the rules, like the checklist, how to render a lot better.
Not only with the stronger fundamental skills, which is super important, but also with the design. I feel like design is the most improved aspect of my skills in terms of drawing. Yep.
I always had a dream of being able to do this, right? Concept art to the max, you know, like full renders, paintings, that sort of thing. I just had no idea where to start until I found out about MAGES. I was like, oh wow, this is the starting line right here.
The thing about the YouTube tutorials that even if you're following it, you don't get a lot of feedback. I think that's like one good thing about in-person lessons is that
the way you apply all the fundamentals, showing people that, oh, you care about these things, oh, you care about the form, you care about the contour line, you care about texture and everything. So, you know, when we look at, you know, other people's work, the finishing is so good and the expectation is so high, and we didn't really know how to achieve that. But with that workflow we learned here, I believe that, okay, we can really achieve that far.
When you wear a jacket, which side does the zipper clips onto? Small things like that, it just kind of builds on. You slowly realize that, oh, it's the small things which tie everything together.
As a student, you're always trying to push for the next thing. The goalpost is always moving. Since a few months ago, you know, I look at my past work and I'm like, wow, I'm so much further on the road, you know, from where I was.